Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm going to share the recipe of crab fry which I spoke about in my previous video. This is a very simple recipe and takes about just 5 to 10 minutes of cooking time. If you're new to my channel, do check the video on stuffed crab. I've put a link on right top corner of this video as I've explained in detail how to clean the crabs well. Add a teaspoon of salt first to the crabs and mix them well. To this, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of Kokum juice. In case you don't have Kokum juice, you can substitute it with lemon juice. Mix it well and add red chilli tamarind paste to the crabs. I've also put a link on the right top corner of this video for the red chilli tamarind paste recipe to make this paste, as it can save a lot of your cooking time. In case you don't want this paste, you can always substitute it with some red chilli powder, turmeric powder and some tamarind paste. Mix the crabs well with the masala and marinate it for 10 minutes. Pour coconut oil over the frying pan. Now take some Suji or Semolina in a plate and start coating the crabs with the Suji and place them on the hot frying pan one by one. Add coconut oil in batches to the crabs for better frying process. Flip the crabs over and fry them evenly on both the sides. This takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the crabs to cook well. Once it is done frying from both the sides, serve it hot. Crab fry is now ready to serve. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy watching my video, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more such videos.